What's up, YouTube? Biz Matthew here once again with another video, and in today's video I'm actually in my Facebook business account, and I will be showing you how to set up your Facebook ads for print on demand or selling especially t-shirts or clothing items online through Facebook ads. And so it's just going to be a good tutorial, hands-on. You all can implement these different tools and practices in your business. Now, before we go on, be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. We're trying to grow this family to 300 subscribers by the end of this month. It may sound a small amount to you all, but I'm just trying to grow. And I've been posting 3 times a week. I did it for a month, like 2 weeks ago, every day for a month, and then now I'm doing 3 times a week. Alright, so I'm actually in my Facebook account right here, as you all can see, October 1st, 2018. I'm in my account. This is one of my campaigns that I'm running for a clothing item, and as you can see, it's running right now. This one is doing well at 715 per purchase. This is 16. This is kind of high at 33. This is good at 833. This is okay at 14. And I'm going to open up one of mine ad sets to show you how to set up the perfect ad set. So I'm just going to click edit here. So we can open this up and then kind of move this around. Yeah. And so from here, you all see I name my ad set so I can recognize what I'm doing on this ad set. I'm running a lookalike audience at the 3%, and I started this at 923. Sometimes I like putting the dates in it. Or like the date of when I created this lookalike audience, because I create lookalike audiences a couple times for a same link. So after a month, I may create a same exact lookalike audience for the same link, but I just feel like it refreshes the lookalike audiences and makes it better. And then I have what country, where I'm placing it, and like the type of conversion I want for it. Now, of course, if your data is right, you're going to have purchase for conversion. And all lookalike audiences are around 2 million, and I always keep it at 2 million. Now, as we go down, this is how much I'm paying right now per day for it, $70 per day. I started it Thursday, September 27, 2018 at 10 a.m. And so that 9/23, the September 23rd, is when I created that lookalike audiences. And then let me see. Let me pause. Alright, so you all can see right here, I'm using the lookalike audiences from 2% to 3% for this item. And it's the United States, and I didn't change the age. I did 18 through 65. I didn't narrow my lookalike audiences. Sometimes it works. I usually find just using the whole lookalike audiences without narrowing it even more works the best. So that's why it's the full 2 million people. In my last video, I show you all how to create these lookalike audiences where you have just exact 2 million population in each of your percentages. So this is counts for the 3rd% of this lookalike audiences. That's why it says 2 to 3%. And as I was saying earlier, I keep everything the same, keep all and whatnot. And yeah, United States and whatnot. So as we go down, this is a key. This is a secret, because Facebook algorithm, they change all the time. So you have to change up where your placements are to convert the best, the ages and different things like that, and always test. And so right now I'm finding that doing edit placements instead of auto placements is working best for me for certain audiences and for certain products. So I'm doing all devices. I mean, of course, you can change it to mobile only or desktop. And now I'm only running my ads on Facebook feeds, right? I'm only running on Facebook feeds. I'm not running this one on Instagram. I'm not running it on the Audience Network or the Messenger. Only on the Facebook feeds, as you all can see. And so that's been working for me. And you all can, I always recommend people to start off with running it just on Facebook feeds, because Facebook is the main platform. You know, Instagram is more popular, but people who actually buy items are on Facebook still. They're older people. Instagram is more younger generation, and they don't buy as much as the older generation. So yeah, and then down here, this is another thing I do. I do the 1-day click or view. So after clicking or viewing the ad, this is how fast I want them to convert. That's your conversion window. And yeah, and so I usually select this one or I select this one. So after clicking the ad, they usually convert after 1 day. This is what it's basically saying. So after they saw your ad or clicking it, they're going to find people who usually will convert within a day. But honestly, you know, I tried with 7 days. It works sometimes. It works, you know, just leaving it, because its default is 7 days click or 1 day view. So that's actually really good. So yeah, and then I just keep this at the lowest cost. And yeah, I mean, in the past I used to experiment with this more. But I don't anymore. I may soon, you know, when fourth quarter comes more. Yeah, and so I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, comment down below and like this video. I hope this was beneficial so you all can actually implement this into your Facebook ads as you're running for your business. All right, peace.